Here's one of my basics. This is a Westclox. I thought this was a Timex, but it's a Westclox. It's a really basic clock radio. I got this one at a free bin at a garage sale because it's pretty dim. Pretty lightweight, too. The camera makes it look bright. For the longest time, I used this as my standalone alarm clock. So, let's hold down time. So let's see if this thing goes into alarm. I heard a little chirp out of it when I passed free when I was setting the alarm. It has a really basic control panel. This is your drugstore clock, as I call them. I think your really cheap clock radio. We have battery backup. After this thing does alarm, we'll take a look at its specifications. I really like how this one looks. It's a little yellowed, but I like how that gives it character. You have an alarm light here. You also have a PM light there, which I know works, which I'm not. When I made the video of that Colby, I didn't get a chance to go through that. Pretty quiet. You have snooze, but no light. This doesn't flash or anything to indicate it's snoozed. We'll turn alarm off. Practically pressed all the buttons. This is a model 6670 It's made in China. I don't know where it dates at. It is UL listed. Let's take a look at our battery compartment. Little dongle for the 9-volt. Just decided to go hide in there, but it is battery backup capable. The cord just comes out on the back. Thing's really lightweight. This is probably my smallest electrically powered digital clock. I do have one of these that is black with the LCD screen that is battery operated. I don't know where that one is, but it'll surface and I'll make a video of it. But there's a video of this Westclox.